was in the Navy for 6 years, and then I heard about Keiser and I heard it was a great school, so I came to Keiser and I love it here. So I'm a terminal generalist, and what I do is containers come into the port, and then they'll have problems, like say with their placards or with their bookings, and so when they come in, they have issues. We pretty much help solve those issues. So the relationship is really amazing, first off, because they help us out. People donate, people give scholarships, so that's amazing because it helps us as students. And then so the relationship is just good because they kind of take you in and they know that you're a student. So they take you in and they help you grow. And it was really cool because they had leaders from different places in the industry, and they talked about what the port is doing and how the port is growing. And it was just an amazing opportunity. And then they gave us a $5,000 check towards our school to help with scholarships. So I'll probably keep working there. Hopefully maybe one day, start to become a manager. So, but I definitely think the degree will help me with that.